In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,295 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing last month just by using organic free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to make this commission with Amazon Associate step by step. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Amazon Associate affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay, click on the first link over here like this. You will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up, and here you go. You will be again to this page. Click over here on create your Amazon account, and that's it. You just need to put your first name and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. You should have this will be your Amazon Associate affiliate account dashboard. Okay, you should see your commissions here, your samurai bounties, and so on. So what you will do next, you need to choose a good product and trending product that you should start promoting using Pinterest. I'm using Pinterest to promote my Amazon affiliate links and get so much traffic, and I will show you guys step by step how we can do it. So after you finish your sign up process to Amazon and have an Amazon affiliate account like this one, you need to go to Google and search for Pinterest. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you follow those steps and if you do it correctly, because millions of people are using Pinterest. Okay, what you will do after you finish creating your Pinterest account, make sure to choose business account, not personal account. After you finish, go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this Pinterest trend website and click on the first link here, and you will be directly in this page. So we need to see which products are trending on Pinterest so we can promote those products to make commissions. Okay, so go to your Pinterest trend account, scroll down, choose which country you want to target. For example, you have Canada, United States, Italy, Spain, and so much more. I'm gonna just keep using United States. I will scroll down, and here you go. Pinterest will give you what's trending in United States this month. Guys, those are the topics and the product that are trending in United States this month. Okay, you guys can see we have this one: Christmas decor ideas, home bedroom refresh, wallpaper backgrounds. If you click here, you can see more. As you can see, tattoo ideas, clown makeup, Halloween party decor. I will go back. Guys, let's check this one: Christmas decor ideas. I will click on this keyword. I will scroll down. I will click over here and choose just past 3 months, and here you go. So actually it's still trending. You guys can see it's still gonna be up. It still will go up even more. You guys can see here, this is the predictor that's predicting that this keyword and this topic is still trending: Christmas decor ideas. You guys can see, so this one is trending in United States this month. Christmas is close. I think Christmas, let's see. So when is Christmas? Let me see. I think in December. Yes, you guys can see in the next December, next month in 25 will be Christmas. Okay, so people will be interested to buy any product related to Christmas. Good, of course, good products. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this keyword Christmas decor, and what you will do next, you will go back, go to your Amazon account, open your Amazon account like this, and click on the search and search for Christmas decoration or decor. I'm gonna search for Christmas decoration like this. Search for those products about Christmas and scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of good and trending products related to Christmas that you should start promoting on Pinterest, and I will show you how you can do it. So let me see. You guys can see like this one, like this one over here. It's looking like this one looking really good, and over 300 people paid for this month for this products in the past month. Okay, this is the proof. It's working. Okay, people are buying those products. Look at this one. This one over here. Over 200 people paid for this one in the past month. If we scroll down, we can find more. This one looks really even amazing. You guys can see this one. Over 10,000 paid for this products about Christmas in the last month, which is really good. I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this one like this. So just click on the product that you want to promote as an affiliate marketer with Amazon. Scroll down. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon, as you can see. So what you will do next, click on this picture. I will click on this picture. Just click on the product picture. Let me show you. And this will be your picture about this product. Double click and click on save image. Save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it Amazon product. I will click on save. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to your Pinterest homepage. Go back to your Pinterest homepage. Click on home feed. Click on create pin. Okay, pay close attention. Click over here and upload this picture that you download from Amazon about this products. Okay, this one. Click on open, and here you go. Click over here on the title and go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title for Christmas decoration. I'm gonna copy this title. It's too much long, so I will copy just this part to show you guys how we can do it. Go back to your Pinterest account and put your title over here. And as you can see, like I said, it's too much long. Christmas window. I will delete this one and I will keep using just this part. Description. Just go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down. You should see here about this item. Okay, this is your product description. So what you will do next, you will copy this description. I will copy this part to show you guys how you can really do it. I will go back to my Pinterest account. I will put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to this product page. And like I said, you should already create an affiliate account with Amazon. So you can start seeing like this bar. Let me show you. So you can start seeing like this bar here. Influence and associate site Stripe. Okay. So to get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click over here, get link. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate link for this product. So I will just copy this affiliate link. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, you can create a board. Just click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I'm going to choose this one. And here you need to put keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend account. Okay, to this account and copy those keywords. I will copy this one. I will put this one here. Go back, scroll down. You should see here related trends. Copy all those keywords. We have more keywords here that you can use here. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate product link on Pinterest and it's trending. Okay, You guys can see already people started promoting those products. You see, about Christmas. You should start from today, okay? And focus on any products related to Christmas. Start promoting this product because they are trending right now. This month will be the last month, and the next month also will be maybe a few days of the next month. So you should really start from today. Focus on those products related to Christmas if you want to make some commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so your products will be published like this. This will be your Amazon affiliate link, and that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. This is the method that I'm using to promote my Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. I shared with you guys everything. Okay, you guys just need to start. How we can find trending products, how we can promote product that people actually will be interested to buy from you. Products related to Christmas, it's gonna be the profitable product that you should start promoting right now. Thank you so much for watching again. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.